That's it. Good boy. Oh, you're painting the window. Yeah? Put some more paint on your brush. Put some more paint on your brush. Matthew, get some more paint. Put some more paint on your brush. That's it. Oh. Yep. That's it. Go again. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's in there? Oh, that's a good one for you. Can you paint the wall? Paint the wall. Over there. Do it in the corner.